Hello, happy Monday. Let me get this out to the group. Just got in a YM trade with the algorithm. We'll see what happens here. I've been having some weird NinjaTrader stuff since yesterday. I don't know. I downloaded the new version. Hopefully that isn't an issue. Alright, so we'll see what happens with this YM trade here. We are 9 minutes from the open. I was trying to get this all set up, and then when I turned on AMD, it gave me like this error. So I'm afraid to turn it on right now. I might wait until this trade is done. There's like some weird, really weird message. I don't know. So I might just wait, because I usually don't take like the first trade anyway. We will see. And it took away my swing ranges, so I gotta put those back. So, and Q, the bottom was like 70, 25. And the top was 64. Pretty close, pretty close. Alright, I'll just keep it there. And then ES. Move this down. I just want to move the whole thing. Uh, 63, 61. Alright, cool. Alright, well, NQ's in the range, looking like it might want to break out. It seems like it tried to do that around 4 a.m. and then it failed. ES looks kind of similar. Red on this YM trade, so we'll see what happens with that. Market opens in 7 minutes. I hope everyone had a good weekend. I actually really like the long above 700. This was an area that we played in last week. The 736 is strong. The 740, see if we can really get above that. But yeah, I liked that. Obviously, if I was awake at 5 a.m., I probably would have tried to take that opportunity. It also was an area where it left the range again, so I really want to put on AMD, but I don't want that error to come up again, especially when I'm in this. All right, 6 minutes till the market opens. I'm really trying to go into this without any biases. Like last week, I was kind of mad at myself because I had this bias that Friday was going to be green. And then I feel like it kind of blinded me from the huge potential on the short side. So I was like, damn it. Especially with AMD. Like that was like the biggest thing. What? All right. Oops. Chart. That one candle is crazy already. All right, so we'll see if YM can move up here at the market open, which is in 5 minutes or even beforehand. If you have any questions, feel free to put them in the live chat. I'm going to try to... See, I just don't want to mess with this, so I'll turn this data on for TD Ameritrade, but I'm not going to apply the strategy yet. Because I feel like that's where I was getting the issue, and this trade is moving, so I don't want to mess with that. Let me put my status up of streaming. Can I I'm trying to think if I can minimize this at all. All right, market opens in 4 minutes. So this is the bottom of the range here. It's like 24. I should switch back. Because if it wants to drop again, it could definitely have a nice swing entry here. We will see. I'm not going to state any biases or hopes. I guess I just always like a green market. Like I always like a bullish market. I feel like it's easier to make money when the market's just like dropping like crazy, but overall, I don't like it. All right, so we're creeping back up. 2 minutes till the market opens. 150. All right. Market opens in 41 seconds. So I'm just going to wait on this before. He's a Coolio. I used to say that. Coolio. So I currently only have NASDAQ and YM on. And YM is in a long. Alright, we're moving green on this YM trade. Market opens in 3 seconds. Let's see if we can push to this TP1. Alright, it's pushing. Green 300 now. Let's see if we can get a little more of a push. Alright, ES is trying to leave the range. Alright, break-even offset came into play. This is why we run YM with 3 minis, people. TP1 hit. This is a guaranteed green trade. Even with that offset, it was guaranteed green. All right, we're still moving and grooving. I love it. I love it. Let's go back to the team here. Move this up a little.
Order canceled.
Janine, are you in here now? I posted the link. All right, so that was a nice trade. I made $645. So this is kind of what I was talking about. If it's going to move up and then drop down. So now we can see NQ is dropping. I want to set this up now, see if it's going to work. I don't know. I might just ignore it for today. I don't want it to mess up with anything, so I might just... Damn, AMD is taking a beating because the NASDAQ is still dropping. It's just crazy. Can't find its support. I don't even want to look at my long-term stuff. Obviously, so with only running YM and NQ, NQ's not going to take a trade till later. Definitely look to take a manual short here. See if it breaks a 75 or if it holds. Yeah, it might bounce here. Oh, it did break it. See, this is why I can't message with people. It broke the 75.
Order failed.
It should have been short from here, really.
Order submitted. Order failed. Order canceled.
Grabbed like $100 on that or whatever. All right, I have to get out of this thread. All right, so which. Damn. Yes, too. I guess it was a fake out.
Order failed.
Oops, I meant to take a short in ES. See, this is why I can't be doing this at all times. If I get green here, I'm just going to take it.
Order submitted.
Because I didn't even really mean to do that.
Order failed.
It's too big of a drop. And Q's back down at 15,600. Yucky, yucky. Everything is super red. Tesla's so good when it's good. But it is a long-term play. So that's why on like days like this, I just can't even look at it. So even my VU and VTI are green today, which is interesting. Need to just stop this bleeding. Do 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 do. Almost at TP1 for this ES swing trade. If you got that YM trade and you're on YouTube, make sure you like this stream. It was a good one. It was a good one. YM's turning around too here. We probably won't get a short in YM. It would be all the way down here, which is pretty far away. Pretty far. Do 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 do. These are on sale. I wonder if I should buy one. Show. $290. See if we get filled on this and average this down. Because my
Order canceled. Order canceled. Order filled.
Alright, cool. Alright, so I got two more at a better price. So now my 315 went to 310, which is not bad. And I got two more, so then I can write those more covered calls when it starts turning around. Oh, NQ. Almost at the low from Friday. See if this 59 can hold. This is a nice level. Down, down, down. Oh, YM's getting a little more strength here. Look at that. That's nice. wonder if I could sell. $1,100. Oh, I'd still make $4,000. What? 9?
Order filled.
Maybe 150 points. Well, it could happen. Well, let's just see. Similar. So nothing else really happening. I learned the extra student question. Is NinjaTrader fast making funds available once I make a deposit? Yes. So you can, well, we used to be able to wire funds, but now I think you just do an ACH transfer, and they are pretty fast. Usually with an ACH, they say it will take like 2 to 3 days, business days, but a lot of people have told me that the money shows up the very next day. So yes, I would say pretty fast. And then if you, oh, look at YM pushing. And then if you you make a withdraw, that's really fast too. Like I've always noticed, it'll be in my bank account pretty quickly. Bum, bum, bum. Oh, you know what? I need to make these good till cancel. Damn, YM is pushing. That's nice. I love to see it. We're not in the trade anymore, but oh my gosh, look at YM here. It is really pushing. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. Okay, YM. Can YM carry the market? Look, we got 6 likes. Does that mean 6 of you hit that YM trade? That's awesome. So excited for you. It's 9:44. Today might be a quick day. I don't know. Obviously, the NASDAQ, I have, yes, agree. But when I did, I used to use, well, I still use Dorman. Phillips, I heard, like, was kind of hard to go through. But Dorman, I would do a wire, and obviously a wire would be there the very next day. But yeah, they've made it much easier. ES is really kind of recovering here, which is awesome. I love it.
Order filled.
I put a Tesla call in, and I'm also updating these.
Order canceled. Order canceled.
I'll do 1, what did I do? 14. Similar order, 1 at 15. Alright, so that's green. Results good. YM is a beast. Hey, Andre, you are up early. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, let me know. You know, YM already took a trade. We hit TP1, and then it pulled back to hit my break-even offset, so I made $645 on that trade. You can see that right here at my realized. No other trades yet. You know, the range will kind of do its thing and then take a trade later. The earliest it can take a trade is like around 11 o'clock, so we will see. But yeah, it's 9:45. I might just, this Tesla call is up $200, so that's good. I didn't do anything with stocks on the algo today.
Order filled.
Oh, cool. I got filled on one of those. I didn't. My Tesla went from like a negative 35,000 to now it's only down 15,000.
Order filled.
That's so great. Okay, so I'm out of the 2 Tesla calls that I grabbed. I made $374. And then I also got a covered call for Tesla for this week for 4,000 at 1,100. Tesla can easily get back up to 1,100 if it has a big week. We'll see. If I'm able to take some profit at some point, you know I will, and just get out and then extend it further. But yeah, these are some crazy 30-minute candles, and it's only been 15 minutes. Like, these are some crazy candles. So I'm glad I added, though. I added 2 more leaps on my Tesla position, which are now green. I got a better average. Probably should have added 3, but it's all good. So now my average is 310 instead of 315. So, but I was saying it might be a slow day because I'm not running copper and I'm not running natural gas. Like, I really like getting on here and talking to you guys. But typically most of the action happens around lunchtime. So I might wrap it up a little early today. 9/11/24. Oh, I don't care about that, Brian. Like, even if it does pull back to 900, I'm okay with that. I've been kind of scaling out since I was in those 700 calls, and now I'm in 900 calls, but they're for 2023. So do I think by 2023 Tesla will still be over $900? Like, I would say yes, especially with the move that's happening now with electric vehicles and everyone else kind of trying to get in the space. I went and looked at Teslas, but I'm so used to like an SUV now, it's hard for me to get back in a sedan. Like, it's really weird. It was a really nice car, but I was like, I don't know if I want to be this low to the ground. And then I know they have that, like, I guess their crossover option. What do you mean? Cop cars. Oh, no, I can't. Typically I have to pick up my little one from school. So again, this is an auto trading algorithm, cop car. So I don't have to be home. I don't have to be awake. I don't have to be by my computer for this to make me money. So this is the best part of the algorithm, is it makes me money when I'm not here. And so no, so I can't stream at that time. I can stream like at the market open. I usually stream from 9:15 to like 10:30. But like today I have a nail appointment at 11, so I'm going to have to leave the house at 10:45 anyway. And then after that, I pick up my little one from school around lunchtime. So unfortunately, I can't stream then. And I'm not somebody that actually likes to sit by my computer all day long. So I started my own business last year, and the whole point now for me is to have more of a fulfilling life and not sit at a desk for 9 hours a day. So it's not really in my kind of nature to do so anyway. Like, even if my little one was in school all day, I still wouldn't sit at the computer for that long. I like to kind of get out of the house, get something to eat, maybe go to the gym, run errands, kind of do everything that I need to do, so then I'm free to have family time at night. And again, I take some swing trades, some manual trades in my manual group, but with the algorithm, it will do everything for me. I'm typically on the go when we get in a NASDAQ trade each day, because it's, like I said, it's usually around lunchtime. Like, I'll be picking up my little one and people will be like, oh, we're in a trade. And I'm like, oh, cool. Like the other day, I was actually home for this trade on Friday because it got in earlier than normal. It got in at 11:20 a.m. And I was home for that, but then I quickly had to leave. So, but yeah. So that's why I can't stream then. And again, I just like to get out and live my life. Like, I know a lot of people that have gone, they started trading full time for themselves, and they still sit at a desk all day. And I'm like, so what's the point of leaving corporate America to then still be sitting at a desk for 10 hours a day? Because that's not my idea of working for myself and kind of enjoying life, if you know what I mean. So, but yeah. So this YM trade worked out. I'm green $645. I typically tell people to not have a monetary goal, but if I had a monetary goal each day, it would be anywhere between $500 to $1,000 in trades off of the algorithm, and that's easily obtained with, you know, the amount of contracts that I take, which is typically 2 or 3, and then manually I like to take like 1 or 2 plays, whether it's on common shares or options, and make a few hundred there, and then I'm done for the day. So I already made 374 on the Tesla call, and I already made 645 on the algorithm. So even if nothing else happens today, I'm up $900 or $1,000, and you know, that all happened by what, 9:45. So that is my idea of kind of living the way that I would like to now that I own a business. And most of my members that use the algorithm are also business members. They're too busy. They don't have time to sit at their computer all day, or maybe they have a high pressure job. They're a high executive, and you know, they're on calls all day, so they can't be like, oh, I need to, you know, get long the NASDAQ or get short the S&P 500. So this algorithm will do everything for you. It gets you in the trade. It puts the targets there, puts the stop loss there. And when you hit the break-even offset, then you have a guaranteed green trade. So it does everything. It even turns itself off at 4:45 p.m. if for some reason you're still in a swing trade. So yeah, I think those are the benefits. But so I'm probably going to wrap it up here. It's almost 10 o'clock. Wrapping up a little early today. I'm going to kind of go get ready. Got to leave the house around 10:30. But I do stream every day starting around 9:15. So Cop Cars, feel free to like and subscribe, or anyone else that's new to the stream, and you will be able to see, you know, kind of how my algorithm works and ask any questions that you have. So thanks for joining, guys. If you're in the group, obviously we'll be in touch if the NASDAQ takes a trade later today. We will see. And if not, then have a great day, and I'll be back tomorrow morning. Thanks, guys. Bye.